This is an easy pasta recipe that you can do for yourself at home. First, you'll boil some noodles until they get to al dente. Then you'll strain it, and then shake it. But please, whatever you do, do not break it. After you shaked it and didn't bake it, I think I messed up on that one, but while it's still piping hot, pour it into a bowl. Then you'll take some extra virgin olive oil and pour it on top. Easy, just like that. Then you'll take some salt and put some salt on it. But those of you who have high blood pressure, you can skip that part. You know you should skip that part. Don't lie to yourself. Then take some fresh pepper and grind it on top of the pasta. Then I like to take a little bit of red pepper flakes and put some on it. Stir it up to get the flavoration circulated all around the pasta. Then take a fresh lemon wedge and squeeze that all on top of the pasta. And if you want, add a few more red pepper flakes. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it.